this is Misty from Well Keeping Mom. Today I'm going to show you my version of the Trim Healthy Mama Baking Blend. To start with, we're going to put in 3 cups of oat fiber. I like to make my recipes kind of big so that I don't have to make them quite so often. Next I put in 1.5 cups of coconut flour. Also, I like to use organic as much as I can. Now, I'm going to put in 1 cup of flax meal. I buy my flax seeds, golden flax seeds, in a bulk food section at a local store. And then I grind it myself because it's less expensive for the whole seed than it is for the ground mixture. I pay 99 cents a pound for the golden flax seeds. Okay, next we're going to put in 9 tablespoons of almond flour. Make sure you use almond flour and not almond meal here. Okay, now 9 tablespoons of collagen. I get this online at Amazon. Lots of different brands you can use. Again, I like to get organic or the most healthy option I can find. And then I add 1 tablespoon of glucomanan. And mix it all up. And there you have it. You're all ready to go with any of your Trim Healthy recipes. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Don't forget the bell for the notifications if you'd like to receive notifications of when I have a new video up. This channel is all about how to keep a home and just being a well-keeping mom. So it involves everything related to being a homemaker and a whole lot of crafty things that will be coming your way soon too. Okay, well, have a great day. Bye.